Hello everyone! Right now we are at the airport with my sister. We're gonna check in our baggage. Let's check what is the requirements. We have a lot of travelers right now. Hello! Nakapasok na kami dyan. Paikot-ikot na lang kami sa duty free. Okay, it's so very smooth ang ating pag-check-in kasi need lang natin ng ating biometric e-travel and hindi tayo nag-exist ng kilo, kaya it's very easy right now roaming around the airport kasi matagal pa yung flight namin. Okay, we are at Abu Dhabi Airport. Kararating lang namin. We gonna check our connecting flight. Nasaan ang ating door? Okay, nice talaga yung Abu Dhabi. We gonna voice over lang kasi I forgot to pull out the headset, the wire from my selfie stick. That's why. Now, papunta kami na dyan sa sa gate ng ating connecting flight. Walking ang taas ng ating lalakaran with my sister again. Yan, nakakapagod kasi super malayo. Nasa 32 kami, 32C. At saka it's over late na. Na late kami ng flight. Okay, see you around. Okay, sa wakas nakita na namin ang aming 32C na boarding again. Chine-check na. So excited na yung mga kababayan natin kasi that's the last flight that we have. Bababa na kami, nasa Pinas na. Excited lahat ng mga Pinay dyan, lahat. Maingay kami dyan. Kasi this is it. Makikita na namin yung plane, yung airplane na papuntang Pinas. You see how excited they are, especially me. Okay, maaga tayong nakapila kasi maaga tayong pakita lang natin yung ating ticket. Yan, ako na yung next. Papasok na tayo. Ang tagal. No need natin i-video yung face kasi nasa pa tayo, Middle East. Later na lang. Okay, go inside na. Excited yan. Waiting again for almost 3 hours. Okay, kami ng magandang pwesto, upuan na parang nasa beach yung upuan. Maganda yung aming pagkakaupo. Kasi it's so tired. You see, ang ganda ng aming pwesto. Maganda talaga siya. Relax kasi nakakapagod sa paglalakad. Talking again. So excited yan. Pasensya na yung katabi ko. See you later. Okay. Papinas na tayo. Papinas na kami. Yes, it's a good. Yeah. Ay, back ito, back. Excited yung mga tao. Ayun o. Malapit-lapit na. Yung plane na sasakyan namin, Etihad plane. But it's gabi kasi, ay morning, kaya it's not really good. Entering right now. This is big plane. Is 53. 53, nandun pa sa last.
Sa kabilang cabin po. Hindi naman masyadong video, pero sa kabilang cabin.
Okay.
Hello po.
Okay, maganda yung aming pwesto kasi kami lang dalawa. Malapit siya sa window kasi yan ang gusto niya sa window. This is 2 person. See? Okay. Welcome to the Philippines! See you. We are here! Papain natin. Dapat sila maguliyat ka. Thank you for the safe flight. We are here. Time check is 5 o'clock. Let's go. Welcome. We are here. Duty free. Saan tayo? Hello. Security card, passport. At this is the Pinas. Welcome, welcome. See, wala nang maarte dito. Oh. Thank you. Yun na, marami na nagkukuha ng mga luggage nila. Yung kasama ko, yung sister ko na iwan doon sa bayo, sa fingerprint. Kasi matagal siyang, I don't know what really happened. So, let's get first our dito. Ayun, they have a lot of waiting. Ito na. Let's check. Ay, ayun na yung bag ko. Oh. Yung hand carry ko. Nandito na yung aking bag. Here is my first bag.
Kita dito naghulat, oh.
Just same la. Di maupay pa. Pagawas kasi dito, oh. Oh. Hanggang doon yun, oh, yung first. Ito na. Where is my bag? Okay, welcome to the Philippines. Sige, adtula. Wala man kaming sundo. Wala man kaming sundo. Dito lang. Saan kaya yung sundo? Ay, buti pa sila marami. Juicy, ay kita paggawas kay wala pa kita nag-booking. Mapapaso, gawas. Dito lang kita, oh. Diretso ha? Sana mayroong naghihintay. Sige, diretso pa, diretso. Ayaw, pag gawas kayo, di pa kita sure. Diretso.
May git 5.
gonna transfer to Terminal 2.
I need to shoot all that. So it's like full.
Nandito tayo sa Terminal 3 for domestic, and right now we're gonna transfer sa Terminal 2 para sa third flight natin papuntang mainland. Okay, this is the real Manila. Ito na talaga. This is it. The moment of truth, the traffic and the sounds. Nandito pa yung selos.